Hi, thanks for choosing an Ohio LTAP video. Today we're going to be talking about the Garmin dashcam 45 video recorder. The dashcam 45 is an easy-to-use, high-definition driving recorder with a 2-inch LCD display. With outstanding field of view, it captures the entire road and includes GPS for detailed time and location data, pinpointing exactly when and where events happen. Rely on your dashcam 45 to capture excellent video detail in both bright and low light conditions. Simply mount your camera to the windshield and record your drive in 1080 pixels. Dashcam records in a continuous loop using the included replaceable microSD card. To add more memory, add a larger SD card. This dashcam accepts up to 64 gigs, class 10 required. Play back the footage right on the display or review later on your computer. The dashcam records video to the camera memory card. By default, the device immediately starts recording video when it turns on, and it continues recording until it is turned off. If the memory card is full, the device automatically deletes the oldest unsaved video to create space for new video. You can save a video recording to prevent it from being overwritten or deleted. The Garmin 45 dashcam also allows you to wirelessly sync the recorded videos to your phone, as well as alert you to potential imminent collision as well as lane departure warnings. The dashcam is also voice controlled, which allows starting, stopping, and saving videos hand-free and easy. So I'd like to show you what's all included in the box.
I'm going to show you how to install the Garmin dashcam 45. So we're going to start with cleaning the part of the windshield where we'd like to put the dashcam. So you're just kind of trying to wipe away any dust or grease. And then from here, we're going to remove the adhesive layer and apply the dashcam to the glass. We'll hold it for 30 seconds. Applied our dash cam. So now we're going to plug it in. So when you plug in your dash cam, when you're going to use it all the time, you're going to want to tuck it in along the edge of your windshield so it doesn't obstruct your vision. But for now, we're just going to tuck it around the rear view just for this demonstration. So we're going to power it on and then go through the setup. Maybe push is fine. I agree. Center is fine. You can change the settings for this if you have a tall vehicle or a normal height vehicle. We're in a minivan, so I'm going to keep it at normal. We're going to record audio because that's just fun. All right, so we have turned on our Garmin dash cam and we've installed it to the windshield. So now we're going to go for a drive. All right, so we have turned on our Garmin dash cam and we've installed it to the windshield. So now we're going to go for a drive.